The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Marinduque in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. The province of Marinduque has the municipality of Buwak as its capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 4B or the MIMAROPA region. It is composed of 0 cities, 6 municipalities, 218 barangays, and was founded on May 1, 1901. The total land area is 952.58 kilometers squared or 367.79 square miles. Marinduque is bordered clockwise from the north by Tayabas Bay, Sibuyan Sea, and the Verde Island Passage. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Marinduque in MIMAROPA region or Region 4B. The municipality of Buwak, which also serves as the provincial capital with 61 barangays. The municipality of Buena Vista with 15 barangays. The municipality of Gasan with 25 barangays. The municipality of Mogpog comprising 37 barangays, the municipality of Santa Cruz with 55 barangays, and the municipality of Torrejos with 25 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Marinduque in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.